Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Bitcoin breakdown, another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everybody watching the video today. Definitely appreciate the support. Just make sure you guys mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you have not already. Anybody that's a newbie watching this video or anybody that hasn't taken advantage of it, at the end of every video, we'll be revealing our free ebook. It's called the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you'll need to know in order to make it in this market. So I don't want to waste any more time. I'm going to jump right in, and we will start with Bitcoin. This is what we're going to talk about today, and we're just going to kind of do a top analysis breakdown. So let's check it out right here. So we've got a few things to point out. We've got last week a big bullish. The reason we're on the weekly candles because we're about to get an end of a week. Okay, so you got the big bullish candle. And now we look like we're going to end with a spinning top at the end of market today. Looks like we'll have a spinning top here, which is indecision in the market, which means we have no idea where it's going to go. Could go up, could go down. The market seems very bullish because of this engulfing candle here. Well, I guess it's not really an engulfing candle, just a huge bullish candle because it's really not engulfing anything to the right of it. But if it was down here, we would have engulfed everything. So we've seen all these little spinning tops, spinning tops, spinning tops, spinning tops, and a serious shoot to the sky. So, a couple things to point out. We have not retested 4,200. Breakout, have not retested. Need to see that at some point. Would love to just see a complete breakout and let it see running, but then this is always open. Anytime you have a big breakout, and you don't see a retest, you could visit that at some point later, which is not something you want to do, especially if you keep going up. You don't want to revisit this area later, so it'd be better to get it out the way now. We've been talking about that for quite a minute, and with the spinning top here, could we see a little run up to 6K, where the next area of resistance is that we've been talking about? Could we see a run up to 6K and then a bounce down to this area? Very possible. Let's see what the daily looks like. Again, we're seeing this breakout. No real retest in this area. If we kind of dial in here, we see a couple more things. Sorry. So we see a run up, very choppy, no real, big candles like this. Then we have a bearish engulfing. This is a bearish engulfing candle. It engulfs this candle and every candle next to it. One, two, three, four candles next to it. It just totally engulfs. Okay, and then we could see some areas of resistance or support. Here's one right here. Okay, that's one area that's held. One, two, three times pinpoint here. So what you can see is the breakout to the upside here. Okay, an engulfing candle, and then a pin bar reversal candle here. Excuse me. Okay, this is a bullish candle right here, and it's off previous support, which is here, because it went up and it just kind of sat here, tapped it a couple times before it made that run up, but then it made sure to recorrect, come down, tap the area again, and now we're seeing this right here is a reversal candle. This right here is going to be a doji, it seems. If this doji ends up here, this is a very good chance that we will see a run back up to the upside. Now, if this doji finishes green and finishes about right here, we'll see a nice little sort of a reversal pattern here, a 3-candle reversal pattern at an evening star. But, it's not really the downtrend we need it to be in. So, it's kind of a questionable identification of this pattern. I'd rather see it at the bottom of a downtrend. But, I mean, anytime you see a run up and a run down and you see a candle like this or like this, it usually tells you that the market should keep running back the other way after the correction that it's just made. So let's go down even more. We'll check the 6-hour out real quick. I like to do this sometimes. So we've seen a run down. We still have these areas of support to deal with. We got one in here. All this traffic here. That'll be like the next little area. So we also could see that we are forming a flag pattern here. Okay, and this could result in a run down, probably equal in length to this first leg here. Oh, I want to do that. Could be that far. So maybe we even come down to this level of support here, this level of support here, right in the middle somewhere. This level of support right here could be one. There's many little areas we could run into here, but if you just use this kind of measurement tool here, we should get a nice run out of the second leg like we did the first leg, if in fact this is a flag pattern, a reverse flag pattern. To come back down, maybe we'll make our way down, in steps to the $4,200 level that we need to reach. Maybe we'll see 1, 2, 3 big runs down, but we'll have to wait and see how this area of consolidation plays out. It's been back and forth in between this channel. We could dial in more and start to look at this a little closer. We see the big run down. There's an three inside pattern here. So these two patterns engulf this first candle and a lot of the next one. So that's a reversal pattern there. Spinning top, indecision candle, then a run in the market. And then we've got the confusion here. This is buyers, this is sellers taking profit. And other people entering the market thinking that it'll retest or maybe come back down. So something else to look at here. Get rid of that. There's also a trend line here that has been broken. Okay, and on this 4 hour, what you'll see, and this is the part that I'm really kind of, I'm not 100% sure on, so I'm just going to kind of wait it out. Okay, because right here, you'll see a break and a spinning top. That sort of does retest right here, okay? But when I see a big breakout like this, I'd like to see a big retest. So let's pretend that's there. So let's dial this in a little bit. So when I see a breakout like this to the downside, and then I see this, I would love to see a retest in this area. Like that. Come back up, retest before it falls back down. But there's a huge possibility that it can break back into the channel because the retest is your entry, not this. I mean, you could have entered here and made some money. Dangerous, though. If you dial in a little bit more, maybe you'll see more of a retest there. And it's really not a big retest at all. I mean, I can keep moving this around, but I mean, it comes back up a little and then it just drops back down. So I still fully expect this thing to come back up. Will it break back inside, retest this blue area, like break above it, retest the trend line, and head up to 59 to 60, 59 to 6,000, where that next resistance level is? Well, we're on the 1 hour, so it'll be hard to see. But those are the things I got to look at. Those are the things I got to check out and wait to see what happens. My money is a bull run here, a little rally to the bullish side right here. I think we're going to hit this area first. This is the area that I'll be watching for shorts or to keep at that long position. But once I get up here, no matter what, I'm going to move my stops into profit. And then, your stop loss is not much. You can put your stop loss below one of these things, keep it tight. If you're, you do money management, put your stop loss below this. That way, if it breaks down and goes to another leg, you'll be out. And just use money management techniques, guys, which is something that we'll go over here very shortly. So keep your eye out for what happens here next. I'm looking for a bull run here or, a bullish move here to get back to this retest after this breakout. So that's all we have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you scroll down to get that free ebook. It's in the description below. There's a link, the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Click that link, get your free ebook. There's also a training course. Teaches you all things crypto and exchanges, where to find them, how to use them, all kinds of stuff like that. So check it out, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Trade safe.